How to fix cleanup not showing on iPhone photos. The cleanup feature in the iPhone Photos app, which uses Apple Intelligence to remove background distraction, is not available on all iPhones or iOS versions. It requires an iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or any iPhone 16 model. First of all, go to the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Then scroll down and tap on the General. Inside General, tap on the Software Update. And for iPhone 15 or later, also it requires software of iOS 18.1 or later. If you have a compatible device and still don't see the option, ensure your software is updated to iOS 18.1 or later and that the cleanup tool has finished downloading after the update. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.